Hi guys, Brent here with ECS Tuning. Today I'm excited to share with you our new Stage 2 Organic Performance Clutch Kit for the B8 S4 3OT platform. This clutch has been tried and tested in-house here at our Wadsworth, Ohio facility and our B8 S4 shop car that you can see behind me. We have put thousands of miles in this vehicle to provide you with the most refined version of what an upgraded clutch should feel like in this chassis. Our clutch kit not only feels great, but performs the part with a torque capacity of 475 pound-feet at the crank. Audi's factory design uses a self-adjusting pressure plate which aids in retaining consistent pedal feel throughout the life of the clutch. This is good for daily driving, but any spirited driving situations where you're shifting at higher RPM, the clutch pedal can have issues properly engaging. This is a common issue with almost any self-adjusting pressure plate design. Our performance clutch kit eliminates this issue by using a non-adjustable pressure plate. This means no more worrying about your clutch pedal sticking to the floor during high RPM shifts. Pairing our Stage 2 clutch kit with our ECS billet single mass flywheel gives you the tools you need to drive your S4 at its full potential. This complete kit is available now at ECStuning.com.